Hi, let's create a cutout effect in Procreate. I chose my mountains stamps for this example, but you can use any other stamps you want or any other illustrations you create. The idea is that it looks like you cut it from paper. I am using a forest palette. You can find the link in the description if you're interested. Okay, let's speed this up a little bit. You can create any figure you want, any illustration you want. So we're almost done here with the tree I'm using. And you will see that actually I changed a lot later because I put more layers. Okay, now this is normal speed. You duplicate the layer you want to create the effect. Okay, take the bottom layer, move it a little bit so you can see it where it is, and we're going to create then the shadow. This trick is very easy. You just take that same layer, go to adjustments, colors, hue, saturation, brightness, and take the brightness to the lowest point, to the darkest point. And that's it. Then you apply a little bit of Gaussian blur to your tasting, to your liking, and maybe reduce a little bit the opacity of the layer also if you want. And you do the same for the other figures. Let's speed this up a little bit. Then, depends on what you want, you can also create a layer and put it to multiply. But it's up to you and up to the illustration you want to create or the effect you want to create, okay? At this point, I decided I wanted more mountains, so I basically duplicate all the mountains again and flip them just to have more mountains here. I will speed this just a little bit so you don't get bored. As you can see, I repeat the process of duplicating the layer and creating a Gaussian blur with the darkest color. And that's it. After this, what I did was just adding some elements like a moon, very simple moon with a monoline, thick monoline brush, and adding some stars from my sky brush set. So this is it. Show me in the comments with a link what did you do with this effect. Thank you for watching. Bye.